Hello, we are from Akar Control Chennai. We have wide range of products like billing machine, label printing system, beverage indicators, standard weighing machines, and tablet and pharma printing units. Today we take you through one of our finest and latest product, label printing system for industry and retail. Explain you the working style of our label printing unit. It is connected to the weighing platform. Now you have an LCD display, so weight is shown along with the real time date and time. So after keeping the product, you can just press the print key and you have a label coming out. This label can be programmed for all kind of data. You can have either barcode or QR code. You can select options for piece counting, actual weight, serial number, product code, product name and barcode. All these options are user selectable, and as per selection you will get the label. All the labels generated, the data is stored inside the memory. You can have 2000 product memory. At the end of the production, you can either take a printout or insert your pen drive, and all the data along with the weight and product code will be transferred to the pen drive. So now I will explain you about the operation. So first you can just press the E button in the PC keyboard. It will ask for the product number. Just enter one and then select. Now immediately the product already stored, which comes on the screen, along with the other parameters like product name, product code, in case of piece counting, the unit weight. You can also have a set point, like suppose you are going to pack 100 numbers or 200 numbers in a single pack. You can have alarm, tower lamp indication. So as soon as the product quantity matches with the set quantity, the green light comes and automatically printing can also be done. Now we have selected the product apple or some other product. Now the weight is, so I can just press the print key. Now the printout, the label will be printed. Here you can see the company name, the second address, date and time, product name, in weight, serial number and QR code. You can have 7 parameters like product name, product code, serial number, weight, piece weight and barcode. These are all the facilities provided. In addition to this, the unit has got memory and a recall facility for 2000 products, wherein you can store product name, product code, unit piece weight along with the set quantity. This can be recalled whenever you are doing the particular product packing and label printing. This is the label which is printed out from our indicator. You can have a close look on the quality of printing along with the parameters which are printed. So as we said earlier, you can have barcode and QR code as per the customer requirement. This is the sample printout of label along with the barcode. Here too we can have the company name, net weight, gross weight, unit price in case of retail application. There are 2 push buttons provided for tare function. So after keeping the tare weight, just press the tare key. T is displayed, giving indication there is some tare weight inside the memory. Now you can keep your actual product. So when the printout is taken, the net weight is given along with the tare weight, gross weight. Now let us look into the application of this label printing. We have software ready to be used in retail as well as industries. Wherever there is a packing and a label is required, For example, food products where you can have product name, company name, best before and date of packing along with the barcode for scanning, and component industries, automobile industries, rubber industries, plastic molding industries wherein the pieces are packed into bags. The same label printing can also be provided in a bench model from 30 kg to 50 kg. The label printer is built in, and the same facilities are available in this model wherein you have customer display and user display. Both are available. It is a bright big LCD jumbo display 16x2 where the visibility is better and the character size is bigger.